In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of the stretch command, moving the whole object in AutoCAD. If you've encountered this problem, you're definitely not alone, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step, so that you can use the stretch command effectively without any fuss. Now, perhaps you've noticed that when you try to use the stretch command on a specific part of your drawing, you end up moving the entire object instead. This can be a little frustrating, but don't worry. It's actually a common and easily solvable issue. One of the main reasons this happens is because during the stretching process, the entire object is being selected rather than just the part you intend to modify. So how do we fix this? First and foremost, let's ensure we're approaching the stretch command with the right technique. After invoking the stretch command in AutoCAD, the secret lies in making a precise selection. Instead of selecting the entire object, you only need to focus on the portion you wish to stretch. You'll want to use a crossing window or polygon to select just that part. This is key because selecting the entire object will indeed move it as a whole, which isn't what we want. Once you have your crossing selection set up correctly, and AutoCAD is recognizing only the portion you want to adjust, go ahead and press Enter. This action confirms your selection and tells AutoCAD that you're ready to proceed. With that part sorted out, the next step involves selecting a base point. This base point will serve as a reference or starting point for the stretch operation. Now, why is the base point important? Well, it's essentially like setting a corner or anchor point from which the stretch commences. By picking an appropriate base point, you can control how and where the stretching takes place. After choosing the base point, you'll notice that you can stretch exactly the portion you intended without affecting the rest of your object. And there you have it. By carefully selecting only the part of the object you wish to stretch and pinpointing your base point accurately, you ensure that only the desired section of your design is modified while the rest remains intact. With just a little practice, this method will become second nature and save you loads of frustration. By employing these steps, not only will you address the issue of moving the entire object by mistake, but you'll also refine your skills in manipulating designs more precisely in AutoCAD. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and now feel more confident using the stretch command. Thanks for watching and happy designing.